Hi, welcome to Confection Couture's unboxing of our brand new Deluxe Airbrushing Starter Kit. Let's see what we have inside, shall we? First, we have some of our exclusive cookie cutters. Here are some essential shapes: a square, a heart, and a circle cutter. Next up is the Screen Genie. This is perfect for keeping those airbrush lines nice and crisp. What do we have here? Some masking tools. It's the Quadrant masking tool and the isolation tool. These are great for isolating the different elements of your stencil. Next, we have a selection of our wonderful stencils. There are some essential themes here: birthdays, Valentine's Day, graduation, Mother's Day, Christmas, Halloween, along with some monogram letter stencils. What's this? It's the Stencil Genie. This works wonderfully to hold your stencil in place over your cookie while you airbrush. Next up, we have some airbrush colorants. There's red, black, white, blue, and yellow. All the basic colors you'll need to get started. Ooh, and here are some dropper bottles. If you use these to mix the other colors together, the possibilities are endless. Next, we have some cookie magnets. These help you to hold the stencil nice and flat against the surface of the cookie. Here we have the Notta cookie, which is perfect for practicing your airbrushing skills without ruining any of your delicious cookies in the process. And lastly, what's this? It's the AirGenie airbrushing system. This kit has everything you need to create some beautiful airbrush stencil designs, including the airbrush tool, the pumping kit, hose, power cord, and accessories. So there it is, the perfect gift for that special someone in your life that loves to bake and loves to create. Order yours today at Confection Couture Stencils.com.